Hi guys, ¿cómo está? How are you? Today I'm going to share with you a little bit history of burrito. The name burrito may have come out from its role as a sidekick to a donkey. Another theory holds that the burrito came from Chihuahua during the Mexican Revolution in the 1910s. As one story has it, a vendor named Juan Mendez wrapped his food in a flour tortilla, transporting his new creation on a small donkey. A burrito is a dish in Mexican consisting of a flour tortilla wrapped into a sealed cylindrical shape around various ingredients. The tortilla is sometimes lightly grilled or steamed to soften it, make it more pliable, and allow it to adhere to itself when wrapped. Burritos are filled with a savory filling, most often a meat such as chicken, beef, or pork, and often include a large array of other ingredients such as rice, cooked beans, vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and condiments such as salsa, pico de gallo, guacamole, or crema. So I hope you learned a little bit history of burrito, and now let's start again. Hi, welcome to Good Eats. Today we are traveling to Mexico. I'm having some burritos, and today I'm having the steak burrito. So look at how big it is. I'm starving though. So, anyways, without any further ado, let's start again. Let's pray first. Amen. All right, guys, let's start. I cannot wait. I'm starving. So, I want to try the sauce first. I don't know how to eat it. It's like so big. Okay, let's try this. Pour it. First bite. Cheers. I've got rice and steak. Yummy. Having some sriracha. Mm. Mm. So good. Big bite. Mm. I'm making a mess. This is a huge burrito. This has a rice, beans, tomatoes, some lettuce, and steak. The steak, yeah. Spicy. and I love it. Today work so crazy, the craziest ever. Wow, I'm glad it's Friday and enjoy and relax. Look how much hot sauce it is. Mm, yummy. How was your Friday? I hope everybody has have a good day and can enjoy the weekend. Enjoy the dinner, especially first when you're hungry. Mm, oops. More sauce. Hot sauce. All right. Mm, it's very spicy, especially in the winter time when your lips are like dried and the hot sauce like stick on your lips, makes it worse. Mm. All right, guys, I try to have a big bite. Last bite. Cheers. Wow, it was a big burrito and I finished it. But anyways, I guess that's all for today. Remember, you don't have to travel to the country. You just need to taste their food. As always, don't forget, good eats. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share my channel. And I'll see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.